In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Google Calendar with Slack. This simple process will ensure that you never miss another meeting or important event, and you can manage your schedule seamlessly across these two platforms. Let's dive right into it. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left sidebar and locate the Apps section. This is where you can explore various tools that integrate with Slack to enhance your productivity. Next, click on Apps. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll notice an option to add apps. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a directory where you can search for a wide range of applications that can be integrated with Slack. In the search bar of this directory, type Google Calendar. You should see Google Calendar appear in the results. Here, click on the Add button next to Google Calendar. Doing so will open a new window. In this window, you'll be presented with an Add to Slack button. Click on it to proceed with the integration process. Now it's time to allow Google Calendar access to your Slack account. You'll be prompted with a permission request asking you to click Allow. By granting these permissions, you ensure that Google Calendar can communicate with your Slack workspace effectively and share relevant updates and notifications seamlessly. After giving permission, you need to select the Google account you want to use with Slack. Make sure you choose the same account where your calendar events are stored. This will ensure that all your scheduled events are perfectly in sync between Google and Slack. Once you've selected your Google account, click on Continue. You'll then be asked to specify what Slack can access. This might include settings regarding event notifications and updates. Make sure to review these settings carefully and select the ones that meet your preferences and needs. Finally, click on Continue once more to finalize the setup. And there you have it, your Google Calendar is now fully integrated with Slack. You'll now receive your calendar updates directly within Slack, allowing you to stay on top of your schedule without switching between different apps. With this integration, you'll find it's easier to keep track of meetings, appointments, and reminders, all within the familiar interface of Slack. This kind of seamless synchronization is perfect for boosting productivity and ensuring you're always in the loop with your tasks and events. If you follow these steps, integrating Google Calendar with Slack should be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.